How you doing today? We're just going to do a bloopers and outtakes video. A lot of this footage has never been seen before. Some of it has. Some of it's just goofing around. If you can't make fun of yourself, what's the point? How you doing? I'm Matt with 731woodworks.com. Today, we're just going to be goofing around. Might as well have fun. Everything got to be so serious. Ain't everything got to be so serious. So today, we just going to have fun. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. Subscribe. Hey, if you're new here, click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon next to it so you get notified of all the new content we've got coming. I promise most of them are this goofy. Gluing and screwing and so smooth as butter. 2 before. Today, we're just gonna get all wampa-jawed on you. If he hasn't even built a project yet and he's talking about being a woodworker, the thing he's dreaming about at night are clamp. How much wood could a woodworker work if a woodworker could work wood? Look how cute is that. We got a break from the silliness and I gotta be serious with you. That green door is in jeopardy of being painted black. I mean, it's in real jeopardy. I mean, the danger is real. Danger close, folks. That door may not be green much longer without your actions. You gotta comment below and let whoever was gonna paint that door black, you gotta let them know that let it stay green. That door, listen to me. That door has been green since I've had a channel. We gotta keep it together, folks. Let's keep it. We got to keep that door green. You got to comment below and let her know. I mean, let that person know that we want to keep it green. We don't want to turn it. We don't want to change it black. We want it to be green because it's awesome. You see the black stripe? See there? See that black stripe? The degreenification has begun. We got to stop it. Also, it has that smiley face on there. That smiley face has been there a long time. A lot of times, Miss 731 will come up to that window. She'll turn and go like that, like that, because the smiley face does that. When I look up and see that, I bust out laughing every single time. It gets me every time. She ain't up there, so don't look. Come on, comment below. Let them know. Please don't change the door. You can do this. You can do this. I need you. I need you to comment and let her know. A woodworker's middle name is Clamp. They'll probably even hug your neck for a clamp. 2 before. We always end up having a lot of great conversations on the road trips. And on this one, it was no different. She got to tell me all about a lot of good stuff, and I got to listen. Boy, did I listen a lot. I probably should edit that out and not put that in there. If you don't see any videos from me in a couple of days, send help. If your woodworker's an astronaut and goes to the moon, they need clamps. We're just gonna get all wampa-jawed on you. You gotta pick it up, you gotta touch it, you gotta look at all angles, you gotta see the attachments that go with it. And of course, Miss 731's was nothing but supportive. Look how patient this woman is. 2 before. And of course, she gets to window shop her items and we go to a booth that she's really interested in. You know what time it is. Power tip time. Click the box. Should've been a DJ. Gluing and screwing and 2 before. It smells awful. Kind of like a wet fart. Oh, that's horrendous. Oh, the smell is awful. I'm glad I put gloves on for this because if that smell got on me, whoa. Miss 731 would never believe that that was cleaner and not gas. We're just gonna get all wampa-jawed on you. What I didn't like was the smell of that rust remover. Woof, man, that stuff is terrible. You can spray that in the car and there's no way she wouldn't believe that you didn't let one rip. 2 before. Let's say you build something. It's ugly. Wood burns, right? Just build your fire and roast some marshmallows, man. It's okay. You can build it again. I wish I'd got my face reaction on that. Oh my God. That is so smooth. 2 before. Gluing and screwing and you don't want it to look like a 3-year-old took a crayon and just drew a straight line. You know what I'm saying? If you've been following this channel very long, you know what I'm fixing to do. All you pocket hole haters out there, turn your head. 2 before. That's going in there. So we did a 2 before.
Yeah.
She wanted me to throw this in the yard for some reason.
Okay, you get no virtual fist.
This bed is strong.
Very strong.
That's going in there.
No, it's...
You have virtual paw bump. Air tag. 2 before. You have to check the description down below. I put a link. Don't forget to
You put a link in the description? Ah, there's a link in the description.
Hey, I'm Matt with 731woodworks.com. School is in session.
We're building me a bookshelf for my classroom.
Today is July 31st, 2019. Gluing and screwing and... Huh?
I said, hold on. You're not recording, are you?
Of course I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. See the ticker?
Okay, we'll
See
cut it
right
out. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Rolling library cart for 2x4. The supplies will be in the comment. Dog, she has a little bit of balance issues, but she don't bite my mic. She doesn't act like she's special needs. She can.
So much more room for activities.
2x4. 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 Walked out of the Home Depot empty-handed, and they didn't get a dime from me. That's a win. What's that?
I said that once you get to where you're getting at least 1 million views on every video.
That's not what you said. You said if I get 1 million views on 2 videos, we could look at getting you a new vehicle.
I would talk about it. I said I would talk about it. I didn't say we'd get one. I said I would talk about it.
Share this video. We need to get her a new car.
No, we don't. But share the video. That's beautiful. How come you can't make stuff like this?
Wow. Ouch.
That's beautiful.
2x4.
10 and 2, Mr. Clamps. So, Mr. 731 took me out for my birthday today. Did you have fun?
I did have fun.
What did we do?
We shopped for some boots.
It's your close up.
Shopped for some shoes. Shopped for some more boots. We shopped for some more shoes. We also shopped for shoes. I think we shopped for some boots as well, and then some perfume.
Yes. So I got some fabulous boots and some fabulous perfume. Okay, you ready?
No. I can't believe you did that. Probably got a giant scratch on it, and it's gonna be ruined.
Ready? That sounds awful.
What did you do?
We had, I don't know if we'd argued that day or what, but I came home from work one day and when I pulled up to the garage door was open and you had made me that bench with the arrow on it. Yep. And you took a paint pen and you wrote.
We gotta be arguing.
I don't think we were, but I don't remember. I love that. I love that kind of stuff.
Brownie points to us.
Get that camera out of my face.
Not in your face. 2x4. A miter saw is imperative, repetitive imperative. Not your contractor type. 2x4. What? Now, I don't hear no trash talk from you Ford and Chevy guys. Miss Dodge. She's got 263,000 miles on her. And I gotta get some gas. Oh, sawdust. That rascal cut. Look at that. Look how square the sucker is. Yeah, baby. 2x4. Pocket hole time. So when you're taking thumbnails, you go through a whole bunch of iterations to try to figure out what's going to look the best. And really you're looking to try to have people click on your thumbnail. So sometimes you make some really goofy faces when the camera captures you. You put it on a 10-second delay and then you're sitting there every 10 seconds. You're like, click. So you got to try to catch it right there. So that's what I was trying to do right here with all these pictures. You see that there's tons and tons and tons of them where I'm just trying to get a good picture for a thumbnail. And sometimes I just wind up acting goofy because I get tired of just standing there getting pictures taken over and 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 over. Also, if you don't have nothing nice to say, you know what your mama said? 2x4. If you ain't got nothing to say, you know what mama said? 2x4. Did you see that toolbox? I want it. I have no room for it, zero. Sometimes it's toilets, sometimes it's flooring. It's kind of like Forrest Gump says, like a box of chocolates. You don't know what you're gonna get. Man, I forgot to tell you guys. 2x4. Hey, let's click that box right there and take you to the next video. It's not gonna be a goofy bloopers video, most likely. If you click that box, you're getting that if you click that box, you're getting that virtual fist bump that you've been waiting for. I appreciate the support. If you click the box, you get the virtual fist bump. If you click the box, you get the virtual fist bump. If you click the box, I'm just playing. Hey, if you click the box, you do get that virtual fist bump. Go ahead and share this on your social media. Thank you so much for supporting this channel and supporting creators like me. We appreciate it.